part 2 of my corruption, Carmarthenshire County Council. So when I went to my local councillor, she's Plaid Cymru, by the way, it's socialists, and they run the council. I said, oh look, can you help? And she said, yeah, I'll help. And then I sent her a message that I sent to the council that I was criticising them, and she said, I can't help you because you're criticising the planning department, and this is her council. And I said, well, every right to criticise your planning department, but you can't criticise the planning department with me helping you, because I'm on the planning committee. And I'm thinking, this is nuts. So my local councillor can't help me because I'm criticising the council that you work for. Corruption. Personally, if anyone can help, personal message me. I would really appreciate it, because this is going to go to court, and it'll probably mean that my animals won't have anywhere to live. So it's going to get into winter, and we're going to have new lambs, and they're just going to die. People say, oh, they're very hardy animals. You know, I've been on the courses. I've lambed twice, right? And my lambs are really vulnerable, and they can't cope with these winters up on the top of a hill.